Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you everything about HTML injection. In this video we will see how to find HTML injection, what is HTML injection, and we are also doing some report breakdowns, and we are practically finding HTML injection in the Accutenix art testphp.1web.com. So let's get into the video. So first of all, let me tell you what is HTML injection. Let me read something. If you don't understand what I am saying, then you can read yourself, or you can just turn on the subtitles. So hypertext markup language is the full form of HTML, and HTML injection is also sometimes referred to as virtual defacement. This is really an attack made possible by a site allowing a malicious user to inject HTML into its web page by not handling that user's input properly. In other words, an HTML injection vulnerability is caused by receiving HTML, typically via some form input, which is then rendered is on the page. This is separate and distinct form of injecting JavaScript and VBScript and other scripts too. So when you are testing out a site, check to see how it handles different types of input, including plain text and encoded text. Be on the lookout for sites that are accepting URI encoded values like %2f and handling that decoded value. Okay, so this is what HTML injection, and if you still don't understand what is HTML injection, then go to the link given in the description, which is my blog link, where there you will find a broad explanation what is HTML injection. So first of all, let me do a report breakdown, and then we will see a live or practical tutorial how to find HTML injection. So let me open my browser. You can go to the link given in the description, where you will find the website that I'm going. It's my own blog website. You can go to the Google and search sharonthehacker.blogspot.com. Yes, here you will find a blog how to find HTML injection. Let me click on it. Oh sorry, there's a mistake in find. I'll get it. Now here you will see a broad explanation of what is HTML injection and other things. Okay, so here we are doing a report breakdown. So let me click on the report. Click here. Yes, here I clicked. Now here in this new open tab, you will see a report breakdown of HTML injection. This HTML injection is reported to Informatica, and it is resolved. It is disclosed on 12 February 2021. I think this website has no bounty program, I think. So anyways, we will check the report. So here you can see that the reporter has already reported in the form. You can read here. I have reported HTML injection on blank informatica.com. Parameter injectable is search.html (q equals to). So here you can see that the attacker find the vulnerability in the search box, and he applied this one payload. I will also show you how this payload works later in this video. Okay, so the attacker has used, the reporter has used this one, and you can read a bunch of reports on Google. You just have to search HTML injection reports, and then you will get a bunch of reports. You can see here, you will get a bunch of reports. You can just read them and gain more knowledge, and you can also read write-ups. They are very helpful. You can go and read write-ups on Medium and other websites. So now let's perform a practical HTML injection tutorial. So I'm opening the website where I'm testing it. I'm testing on testphp.1web.com. I'm testing on this website, Accutenix AccuCart. What is this? What is the pronunciation? Comment below. So here is the search box. We are performing on search box. First of all, we will inject a basic HTML payload for headline. So h1, the headline, let we consider the headline is like, and then close the h1 tag. Yes, here we close the h1 tag. Now let me click go. Here you can see that the website has rendered our payload. So here the website has rendered our payload, so this is vulnerable to HTML injection. So now let's take another basic payload to underline a word. So for this you have to just use the tags and then place a u in the tags, u between the tags, and then put a word you want to underline. I am just typing a word share that I want to underline. Now let me close the u tag. Yes, let me click go. Here you can see that the share word is underlined. You see that the share word is underlined. Now we are just entering a little advanced payload, this one. So basically what this payload does is it is show a word welcome, as I typed here welcome, and when you click on the welcome you will redirect to this website. This website may be a malicious website in attacker's scenario. So let me copy this. Let me copy this and go to the search box and paste the payload here, and let me click go. As I said, you will see the welcome, and as when you click on the welcome you will redirect to the website, which is my own website, the sharonthehacker.blogspot.com. you will redirect it to my website, as you can see here. Yes, as you can see here, I mentioned my website sharonthehacker.blogspot.com. we all know why href is used and other things, so I can just change them. Like if I go back to this website, again paste the payload and change the welcome with subscribe, and then I again hit go. Then subscribe is appeared instead of welcome. And if you want to redirect your victim to another website, like let me try evil.com. I removed the sharonthehacker.blogspot and I am just typing evil.com, and as I hit go, here you will find a welcome button, and when I click here, yes, you are redirected to evil.com. So this is how attacker can use HTML injection to use some attacks like phishing and other things. So this is for the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our second channel where we post gaming content. You can find the channel in the channel's link in the description, and you can simply search it on YouTube. You just have to type Vedic Pandya and you will find the second channel. And don't forget to go to our blog and subscribe our blog and turn on the post notification from our blog.